Hi guys, welcome to Math Finance Motionless Vid. Through this channel, we answer questions and solve problems related to math and finance. Today we're gonna solve a fixed rate mortgage interest. To do so, we will use Excel, but you can also use your financial calculator. It's also possible to do it with a sample calculator manually, but uh, through this video we're going to use Excel, and for the next video we'll explain how to do it with a sample calculator. So let's together look the problem. Here's the problem. What is the monthly payment of a 30 years, that means 360 months, 100,000 mortgage at an annual interest rate of 8% if insurance and tax are not included? Draw a table that show mortgage principal and interest payment after 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 101 month, 300 month, 201 month, 259 month, 360 month. So to solve this problem, we are going to represent the data via a line, so that will help you better understand the problem. And also we're gonna use Excel in order to find the monthly payment. So this is a real problem. So you have to pay at some point in your life. You're gonna have to pay a mortgage. So I think that will help you figure out your monthly payment and understand also how much you pay on interest, how much you pay on principal. So let's first of all try to draw a line to represent the data. We're gonna close this window and make a figure to represent. Like we can see, the $100,000 represent the present value of this mortgage, because right now if we have to pay everything, it's going to be 100,000. Remember, the interest rate was 8%, but it was annually. Since we have to pay every month, we have to determine the monthly interest rate. So when we got 8 divided by 12, this gives us 0.6667%. This is the interest every month. And so the number of period is 360. Since the mortgage is for 30 years, you understand 30 times 12 gives us 360, the number of period. So what we're trying to determine is the monthly payment, the amount that we pay every month. And remember, the monthly payment is made of two parts. A part of it will be on the principal, part of it will be on the interest. But first of all, let's try to determine the monthly payment. We're gonna go to Excel. It's simple. We're gonna simply input data, and it will be straightforward. We're gonna find the monthly payment. If you have a financial calculator, you can do it also. So let's go to Excel. So we are in Excel. We did put the data. Like we can see the present value, it's 100,000. The interest rate, remember this is the monthly interest rate, not the annual interest rate. N is the number of period, 360 months. And like you can see, we have also feature value and type. Generally, in this formula we're going to have feature values. Since in this problem the feature value is 0, because we don't have any feature value. At the end of period we will pay everything, because at the end of the period, that means after 360 months we will pay everything. So that's why the feature value is 0. Also we have the type. The type is 0. What that mean? The type is the type can be 1 or 0. It's 0 when we make the payment at the end of the period, and it's 1 when we make the payment at the beginning of the period. let's say for our mortgage we pay every month, but at the end of the month, so the tab is 0. But if we have to pay every month at the beginning of the month, the tab gonna be 1. So let's determine the payment. Or let's go back to the home page so that you can understand it better. Let's go back to the home page. Once we are in the home page, we click on formula, once we are in formula, there is two choices. We can go to click insert functions, and or we can click on financial. Let's say I click on financial, and I'm going to look for the payment. And let's go down there, payment. Let's go to P. There it is, payment. We click on payment. Okay, so we're in the function payment. We click on rate. The rate is the interest, the rate, and the rate. We click on the rate. We click here. Number of period. Click on the number of period. 260. Click here. And present value. We click on present value. You got present value. Present value. As you can see, we could go directly here and put payment, put parentheses, and just tap where this value are. This is another choice also. You put equal, the formula, parentheses, and put the number of cell where this value are. It's possible to do it like that. Okay, we click on future value 0. As we tap, you can see the value, the number where those value are appear here. Click on type 0, and we have every value, and the final result is minus 733.79. That's the monthly payment. We can see the monthly payment is negative. That means that's the money, that's the money we're gonna, it's not inflow, it's outflow. That means this money we're gonna give it's not yours. That which explain why this value is negative. Generally, the sign between present value and payment, they are always opposite. If you have a present value, you're going to pay. That means the payment going to be negative. The negative means that's the money that you're giving. This is not yours. That's how you should understand it. So that's the monthly payment. Like you can see, it's easy. You could go directly here, tap payment, you tap equal, payment, parentheses, and you tap all the value, the rate, number of period, present value. It's easy and straightforward with Excel. So there it is. That's the payment. Really easy to get it.